Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Kumar Gupta, your English teacher. Dear student, today we will discuss the question answer, filling the blanks, multiple choice question and true false given in the chapter. Dear students, in the previous class I have explained the story of the chapter Happy Prince, the Happy Prince. Those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Dear students, today we will discuss the exercises and question answer of this chapter. Okay, so just open your notebook and book. We will discuss the question answer of the chapter. Dear students, I will not write the question on the board. I will write only and only the answer of the given questions, which is given at the page number 19 of the chapter number 2. So just see here. First of all, we will discuss the question answer. Okay, so you also open your notebook and you also open your book so that you could write the question from your book and answer from the blackboard. So just see here, what is the first question? Just see, what was the prince called the Happy Prince? Why was the prince called the Happy Prince? So just write down the answer. This is the exercise number first. Yes, friends, this is the exercise number first and there is the question number A. Okay, what is the question number A? You can see in your book, it is written that why was the prince called Happy Prince? Dear students, you write down the answer. As the prince had a smile on his lips, a smile on his lips, so he is called the Happy Prince. So he is called the Happy Prince. The Happy Prince. Okay, students, this is the answer of the question number first. Why was the statue called the Happy Prince? Okay, as the prince had a smile on his lips, so he is called the Happy Prince. Okay, students, so write down the answer. Just see, he is called the Happy Prince. Let's see, this is your answer. You can see. As the prince had a smile on his lips, so he is called the Happy Prince. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number first. You write it in your notebook. Okay, come to the next question. And what is the next question? Where was the swallow? Where was the swallow? What did the swallow see on looking out? And we all have read the story that swallow was between the feet of the statue, and the swallow saw looking up that the statue there was a tears that was coming out from the statue. So just write down the answer of the B. Question number B. First of all, you will write the question from your book. Then after you will write the answer. The answer of this question is something long. So you will write it. Let's see. There are two question answers in the question. So write down the answer. The swallow is a kind of bird. You can see the swallow was resting between the feet of the statue, of the Happy Prince. Just see. The swallow was resting between the feet of the statue of the Happy Prince. This is the answer of part 1 of this question, and there is another question asked in the same question. What did the swallow see on looking up. There are two parts. So from the next line you will write that the swallow saw tears. From the next line you will write up to completing this, you will write from the next line the swallow saw tears. Swallow saw tears. The swallow saw tears coming out from the eyes of, coming out from the eyes of the statue. The eyes of the statue. Of the statue. Of the statue of the happy prince. Happy prince. On looking up. On looking up. Just see student, this is the answer of the question number B. Once again I am going to repeat the answer. The swallow was resting between the feet of the statue of the happy prince. The swallow saw tears coming out from the eyes of the statue of the happy prince on looking up. Okay students, so this is the answer of question number B. You write it or you may also take the screenshot of it. Okay students, and after completing this answer you will write the next question, question number C. Okay students, just see what is the question number C. You can see the question number C. How did the happy prince help the poor woman? Okay students, after completing the question number B, you will write the question number C. Okay students, you may take the screenshot. I am going to erase it. Okay. Okay students, so come to the next question. Question number C. You write the question number C from your book. Just see, how did the happy prince help the poor woman? And you write the answer. Just write down the answer. The happy prince helped the poor woman. The happy prince. Yes, student, I am writing the answer only. Okay, you write the question from your book. Just see, the happy prince helped the poor woman, helped the poor woman by giving one of the jewels, by giving one of the jewels by giving one of the jewels of his sword, SWORD. Okay student, this is the answer. You write down the answer. The happy prince helped the poor woman by giving one of the jewels of his sword. Okay students, so this is the answer of question number C. You write down the next question. Question number D. Why did the swallow not go to the warmer place? Okay students, after completing this answer, you will write the next question, question number D. And what is the question number D? You can see it in your book. And the question number D is, why did the swallow not go to the warmer place? Just write down the answer number D. The swallow did not go to the warmer place because, yes students, you will write from the word because the happy prince Requested, R-E-Q-U-E-S-T. I think it is visible to you. Requested, yes. Because the happy prince requested the swallow. Who was swallow? Swallow was a bird. Requested the swallow not to leave him. Not to leave him. Just see. This is because the happy prince wanted to get some more work done with the help of swallow. Done with the help of swallow. Okay students, this is the answer of question number D. You can see once again, because what was your question? Why did the swallow not go to the warmer place? Because the happy prince requested the swallow not to leave him. This is because the happy prince wanted to get some more work done with the help of the swallow. Okay students, this is the answer of question number D. You write it, or you can also take the screenshot so that you could write later. Okay, after completing this answer, you will write the next question, question number E. What is the next question? What were the two precious things that God ordered to the angels to bring? Okay students, after completing this answer, you will write the next question, question number E. Okay students, I am going to erase it. Okay students, now come to the question number E. Just see, what is question number E? You can see, what were the two precious things that God ordered the angels to bring? Yes friends, you will write the answer of question number D. Question you will write from your book. Okay, and after writing the question, you will write the answer. The two precious things. Precious means valuable. Okay, that is C. C-I-P-C-U-S. The two precious things that God ordered to bring are the broken heart, the broken heart of the prince, broken heart of the prince and the dead swallow, dead swallow. Just say student, this is the answer of the question number E. The two precious things that God ordered to bring are the broken heart of the prince and the dead swallow. Okay students, this is the answer of question number E. I hope that you all have understood the question answer given in the chapter number 2, that is Happy Prince. Now students, we will discuss the exercise second, that is true false. The exercise second is what? True false. Okay students, we have to fill true or false in the given box. Just see what is the question. Dear students, I will not write the question. You can see in your book the question. The swallow and the happy prince were childhood friends. No, the swallow and the happy prince were not childhood friends. Okay, so you will write the word false. The question number A is false. You will write the word false in the given box. Dear students, one more thing that you should know, that in your copy, in your notebook, you will write only word meaning and question answer. Okay, and other exercise such as true, false, filling the blanks, multiple choice question, you will fill it only and only in your book with the help of pencil. Okay, no need to write the true, false, filling the blanks, multiple choice question in your copy. Okay, in your copy you will write only word meaning and question answer, and other exercises you will complete it in your book. So just see here, true, false. First question, the swallow and the happy prince were childhood friends. That is false. Okay, come to the next question. Question number B. What is question number B? A drop of tears fell on the head of the swallow. Yes, that is true. You will write true. Question number B is true. In the box you will write the word true. Okay students, come to the next question. Question number C. Just see what is question number C. You can see the old woman was happy to get the jewels from the sword of the happy prince. Yes, the old woman was very happy after getting the sword from the happy prince. So that is true. That is true. You will fill the word true in the given box. And come to the next question. Question number D. The matchbox of the young girl got wet due to rain. No, not due to rain, due to cold. So that is false. So question number D is false. You will fill the word false in the given box. Okay, come to the question number E. God loved the swallow and the happy prince. Yes, God loved the swallow and the happy prince because of their good deeds, good work. Okay students, so in this way we have completed the exercise true, false. The first one is false, question number B is true, question number C is true, question number D is false, and question number E is true. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood the exercise second, that is true, false. Okay students, you may take the screenshot or you may also fill in your book. Okay students, I am going to erase it. Okay students, now come to the next question. The question number third. What is question number third? Just see, fill in the blanks. That is filling the blanks. Sentences are given. That is incomplete. There is enough space to fill in the given blanks. So just see, we will fill it. The workman found a ... inside the statue. You have to fill. There is enough space to fill. The workman found a heart. Yes, students, in the question number A, you will fill the word heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Okay? Come to the next question. The dead swallow was laying on the heap of ... That is dust. Yes, students, heap of dust. You will fill the word, the heap of dust. Okay, come to the next question. Question number C. Just say, student, turn the page. It is given on the next page. The statue of the happy prince was to be replaced with the statue of a mayor. Okay students, just see, you will fill the word mayor, M-A-Y-O-R, mayor of the city. Okay, question number D. Just see students, what is the question number D? The swallow still lives in the garden of paradise. You will fill the word garden of paradise, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden of paradise. Paradise means heaven. Okay, paradise. Okay students, this is the answer. You will fill in the given space. Come to the question number E. What is question number E? You can see, the happy prince never wanted to see any ... things, sad things. The prince did not want to see any sad things. Just see students, so in this way we have completed the exercise third, that is filling the blank. Dear students, in the question number third A, we will fill the word heart. In the question number B, you will fill the word dust. In the question number C, you will fill the word mayor. In the question number D, you will fill the word garden of paradise. In the question number E, you will fill the word what? Question number E, you will fill the word sad. Okay students, you may take the screenshot or you may fill in the given space. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood the exercise number 3rd. Okay students, I am now going to erase it. Okay students, now we will discuss the next exercise, that is multiple choice question. Dear students, sentences are given, that is incomplete, and 4 options are given, and you have to choose only one option to complete the sentences. Okay students, so just see here, that is exercise number 4, and what is the question number first? We can see the swallow with his family members was on. There are 4 options: journey, duty, migration, and recreation. The option number 3rd is the correct option, that is migration. Option number 3rd is the correct option, that is migration. Just see students, M-I-G-R-A-T-I-O-N. Migration is the correct option. You will tick on that. Question number B. Just see the question number B. When the happy prince gave all the jewels from his body looked thin, thick, ugly, and sad. Dear students, option number 3rd, ugly is the correct option. Okay, ugly, U-G-L-Y. Okay, we will tick on the option number 3rd, that is ugly. Question number C. Just see the question number C. The inside of the statue of the happy prince had option number 1st, jewels, option number 2nd, lead, option number 3rd, gold, and option number 4 is stone. Option number 2nd is the correct option, that is lead. Okay students, you will tick on the option lead. Okay, come to the next question. Question number D. What is the question number D? When the swallow died, it was found. Option number 1st, under the prince's feet. Option number 2nd, in the heap of dust. Option number 3rd, inside the lid of the statue. Option number 4, in the garden of paradise. Dear students, option number 2nd is the correct option, that is in the heap of dust. In the heap of dust. Okay, this is your option, you will tick on that option. Question number E. Just see. The angels brought the of the prince to God. What he brought? Options given: stones. 2nd option, statue. 3rd option, broken heart. 4th option, jewels. Dear students, the 3rd option is the correct option, that is broken heart. Okay, broken heart. That is the correct option. Okay, we will tick on that. Okay students, so in this way we have completed the exercise number 4, that is multiple choice question. Dear students, we can see here in the question number 4, in the question number A, option number 3rd, migration is the correct option. Question number B, option number 3rd, ugly is the correct option. Question number C, option number 2nd, lead is the correct option. Question number D, option number 2nd, in the heap of dust is the correct option. Question number E, option number 3rd, broken heart is the correct option. Okay students, I think in my opinion you all have understood all the exercises, true, false, filling the blanks, multiple choice question, and question answer of this chapter. I hope that you all have understood everything of this chapter. In this way we have completed this chapter. Okay students, that's all for today. In the next class we will discuss some new thing. That's all for today. Thank you.